Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base in which I found the center, drew circles, created grids. The angles are marked at 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. Let us get started with dotting now. Unlike what I normally do, I'm going to start with placing a mirror in the center. I'll place Fevicol first. Now I have this star-shaped mirror and I'm going to place it now. So when I give a gentle press, this gets stuck to the board clearly. Once it is dry, it will be firmly stuck. Now I'll keep tiny yellow dots around this mirror. This is chrome yellow from Fevicryl that I'm using. Now I'll keep some chrome yellow dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. Now I'll keep greenery dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in greenery. Now I'll keep some light green dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in light green. I'm going to place some mirrors on all these lines, so let me place Fevicol first. Now I'll place the mirrors. Now I'll keep some light green dots. I'll keep some greenery dots. Now I'll walk the dots in greenery. Now I'll walk the dots in light green. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in yellow. I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some greenery dots now. Now I'll walk the dots in greenery. I'll keep some light green dots. I'll walk the dots in light green now. place some mirrors, so let me place Fevicol first. I'll place the mirrors now. Now I'll keep some greenery dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in yellow. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.